So we're going to take a look here at what fittings and what lengths of pipe we need to build this design. So first you're going to need 13 of these long ones here, and those are going to be 22 inches long. And then for the shorts, you're also going to need 13, and those are going to be 12 inches long. You're going to need 12 of the 90-degree elbows. You're going to need 4 of the 4-ways, and you're going to need 2 of the 5-ways. You need 40 of the 3/4 inch 12 EZ snap clamps. We're going to go 2 shorts right here. I'm doing exactly the same thing as the other side, like this, and using a long here. So this side, this panel is done basically. We'll finish this one here. So 2 5-ways, top to bottom like that. And then these connect like so. Okay, so now you're done. You can kind of just tighten everything up like that if you'd like. You also can glue this, you can use screws on it, but at this point it's able to be taken apart. And if you push it down really tight, make sure everything is fully seated, it should be able to be put up without being glued. But for safety reasons, if you want to do that, that works as well. We're going to need 3 of these 29 by 27s. It's 27 by 29, just like that. So we're going to go ahead and cut 3 of those. Alright, so now that we have 3 of those, we'll take our next measurement. Okay, so the 27 is also correct for this next piece that we're cutting, but the lengthwise is actually going to be 26 inches. Okay, so now we want to attach our plastic to this frame. We're going to be using the snap clamps. These are going to be item 12 EZ. So they are 3/4 inch snap clamps, but they're called EZ because they're easier to take off. The reason we're doing this is we don't want to tear the plastic, and we know that you want to maybe take these off and on if you're using it at a school and you want to clean these and you want to take these sheets off. So that's why we're going to be using the 3/4 inch 12 EZ item.
For more PVC ideas like this, follow our YouTube channel or our blog. You'll see the URLs in the comments below. If you would like to purchase some of our products, go to our website at www.circoinnovations.com. Thank you for watching.